Today, we are analyzing the housing market in zip code 80030, located in Arvada, Colorado, in Jefferson County. This is an established Northwest metro area with strong commuter access to both Denver and Boulder, which helps support steady housing demand. The housing stock here is mostly made up of homes built between the 1960s and 1980s, including single-family homes, townhomes, duplexes, and smaller multifamily properties. Because this is a mature suburban market, supply is shaped more by resale activity and smaller infill updates than by large-scale new construction. Now, let's look at the numbers. The median home price in zip code 80030 is $589,900. That is down 1.8% year over year. Homes are selling in a median of 29 days on market, with about 120 active listings. The sale-to-list price ratio is 98%, which means homes are selling slightly below asking price on average. The median rent is $1,700 per month. That puts the price-to-rent ratio at 34.7, showing that ownership costs are much higher than renting when measured through income yield. Median household income in this zip is $91,800. With mortgage rates near 6.5% and a 20% down payment, the estimated monthly ownership cost is about $2,900. That works out to about 38% of median household income, which points to affordability pressure. Using the Denver Housing Trends framework, the affordability score is 30 out of 100, which places zip code 80030 in the affordability strained category. If you want more zip-level housing breakdowns like this, consider subscribing. That way, you can follow neighborhood-by-neighborhood changes in pricing, affordability, and inventory, and get a clearer view of how different parts of the Denver metro are actually performing. Inventory conditions here are balanced, with an inventory pressure score of 50 out of 100. Price momentum is classified as cooling, and the overall scenario classification is market rebalancing. The dominant market tension in zip code 80030 is affordability pressure versus stable inventory levels. Market leverage is balanced based on moderate days on market, stable listing volume, and homes selling close to asking price. In summary, zip code 80030 is a relatively balanced housing market, but affordability remains the main constraint. Prices have softened slightly, inventory is stable, and the biggest gap in this market is still the difference between ownership costs and rental economics.